Dear children, so today we are going to do next sum in chapter checkup, 4th, 5th and 7th. Fourth sum. The exchange ratio of a foreign currency with the Indian rupee is 1:62.50. How much of the foreign currency can be bought for 3125? So here the foreign currency to Indian rupee ratio is given, and then Indian rupee is given and asked for this much rupees how much foreign currency we will get. So we can do this in the form of exercise 8b, proportion or unitary method. So I will do the proportion method. Okay, let us see how to proceed. First we will write here exchange ratio, right? So here foreign currency and Indian rupee. And we have learnt in exercise 8b children, order is very important. So here again we have to write foreign currency and Indian rupee. So one foreign currency is 62.50 Indian rupee. That means for $1 or £1, whatever the currency is, we get 62 rupees 50 paise. That means for 3125 rupees, how much foreign currency will we get? We know that product of extreme is equal to product of means. We have learnt A, B, C, D. A into D is product of extremes is equal to B into C is product of means. This is extremes A and D and B and C is means. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. So in the place of A 1, in the place of D 3125 and in the place of B 62.50, we don't know C. So we will take it as X. So we have to find foreign currency. Now can we 1 into 3125 is 3125. Now to remove the decimals, I will write 6250. I have removed the decimal. So after the decimal, how many numbers are there? 2. So 2 zeros down. That means I have turned the decimal into fraction to simplify the sum. So when I bring the 6250 from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes reciprocal. So 6250 by 100 becomes 100 by 6250. Right? Now see, there's no decimal, so cancellation becomes easy. See, now instead of doing long division, 5, factor of 5, 0, 0, cancel. Can you see children? 3000 plus 3000 is 6000 and 125 plus 125 is 250. That means double of 3125 is 6250. See, 3125 into 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So you should start checking all this. 3 plus 3 6, 6000, 125 plus 125, 250. Or you can do 2 5 tables and come to the conclusion. So 3125 into 1 is 3125, 3125 into 2 is 6250. And 2 1s are 250s are 100. So what is X? X is foreign currency. That means 50 is your answer. Foreign currency of 50 can we get by this much rupee. Going to the next sum children. Fifth. Here the ratio of girls and boys in a school is 7:8 and there are 640 boys in the school. How many girls are there? Now here we don't use individual ratio by total ratio. Can you tell me why? Yes, you're right, because here girls and boys ratio is there, right? First is girls, then boys. So girls and boys is there. If here total students was there, suppose here instead of boys, the sentence was students, some number with students, then you can write individual ratio by their total ratio into the total number of students. But here out of girls and boys, one is given. So we have to do same this method. Okay, so let us do girls and boys are in the ratio 7:8. Then again the order should be same, girls and boys, and here boys are 640. So what will be the number of girls? So I'll take that as X. So product of extreme is equal to product of means. 7 into 640 is equal to 8 into X. When I bring 8 here, it is in the numerator. It will come here. When it comes here, multiplication becomes division, right? So 8 8s are 64, 8 zeros are 0. So 7 8s are 56 and 1 0. So 560 girls is your answer. If 640 boys, then 560 are girls. Next sum. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 9:12:18. That means the sides ratio is given. Okay, 3 sides. The triangle, their ratio is given. It is 9:12:18. That means this is the longest side. Okay, the longest side of the triangle measures 12 centimeter. That means one side triangle measurement in centimeter is given. Okay, now they have asked to find, according to this ratio, what will be the length or what is the centimeter of the other two sides. Okay, so let us write down side 1 ratio, side 1, side 2 and side 3 ratio. Their ratio is 9:12:18. Right, and now here total is not given, but the side 3, the longest side, is given in centimeter, and they have asked us what are the length of their sides, what centimeter is that. So we will do at a time one method, one side will find out. Okay, so first I will find out side 1 with respect to side 3. Okay, so if side 1 and side 3, if I write it in proportion format, order is important, so again side 1 and side 3 only we should have, right? So side 1 is 9 ratio and side 2 side 3 is what ratio? 18. So I have written the ratios first line. Okay, now in centimeter, this is in the ratio and this is in the centimeter. So what is the side 3 centimeter? 12. So we have to find side 1 in centimeter. So here I have written this in proportion. So here same way, product of extreme is equal to product of means. So 9 into 12 is equal to product of means 18 into x. So 9 into 12, when 18 comes to this side, it will become division equal to x. So 9 1s are 9 2s are 18, 2 1s are 2 6 are 12. So x is equal to 6. That means side 1 is 6 centimeter. Now it's not necessary that you should do the sum in proportion. You can do exercise 8C also. Suppose if I take side 2, okay, side 2 was what, children? Side 2's ratio was 12 and side 3 ratio, okay, it was 18. So this is ratio. Now this is in centimeter. What is side 3 centimeter? 12 centimeter. So below this I will write in centimeter. So this is in the form of ratio. This is in the form of centimeter. So I have to find side 2 centimeter. So what we can do? We can cross multiply. 12, this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So A into D is equal to 12 into 12 is equal to B into C, that is 18 into X. So when I bring 18 here, it will be division equal to x. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So what is in the numerator left now? 2 and 4. 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 is equal to x. Here you can take x as y also because already we took x. So you can write this as y. Okay. So side 2 is 8 centimeter. Did you understand, children? You can do either proportion method and find the sides, or you can do this method.